This instantly feels like the holidays. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandochka, and this is my first impression of the Aroma Loft Holiday Cranberry Spice Reed Diffuser. Thank you to Aroma Loft for sending this to me to try. I'm opening it for the first time, and the packaging already feels very elegant. The black and gold design looks festive, but still modern, so it works really well as seasonal home decor. Once it's open, the scent is noticeable right away, but it's not overpowering. My first impression is a warm cranberry note, followed by soft, cozy spices that feel very holiday inspired. It smells inviting and comforting, not sharp or artificial. The glass bottle feels sturdy and well made, and the reeds look high quality, designed to diffuse the fragrance gradually throughout the room. This feels like the kind of scent that adds atmosphere without taking over the space, especially for living rooms, bedrooms, or bathrooms during the holiday season. That's it for my first impression. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.